Class 6. So what do we have here? The hydrosphere. Now hydrosphere is a domain and area that contains water or water bodies. If we take the earth into consideration, the total earth, what do we have? We have 1/4 pi is equal to 29% of the earth is covered in soil or land, while the 3/4 part, 71%, 4 parts of the land 100%, 25% each. So 1/4 is 29% we take it as. %71% of it is covered in water. Now, out of 71% total is covered in water, 90%, 97% of the earth's water is found in the oceans. Out of that 71%, whatever that 100% of 71, that amount of percentage, 97% of earth's water is found in the oceans and is not suitable for us for use, as it is salt water. That water you cannot use because it is salt water. Only fish, there is a separate marine life for about it. About the oceans, on the topmost part we have the Arctic Ocean, and below we have the Southern Ocean. Now these oceans cover the large part of the globe. 4 primary oceans of the earth: Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, and the Arctic. The Arctic is a polar region located in the northernmost part of the earth, which I have told you just now, the Arctic Ocean. It connects to the Pacific Ocean through a strait with a strait known as the Bering Strait that passes through Russia and America. It comes down in the map if you see. The S-shaped region between Europe and America and Africa is the Atlantic Ocean. See that S part on the map, you'll see, but I have a map in front of me, that's why my finger is going there. An S part is formed there, like this, from the Arctic Ocean. That S part is going through between Europe, America and Africa is the Atlantic Ocean. 3 areas it's taking. The Pacific Ocean, which is towards the, if I am looking at the globe like this, on my left hand side of South America, the Pacific Ocean, which passes through, it connects to the Pacific Ocean, which passes through the Bering Strait. The Pacific Ocean extends from Arctic Ocean in the north to the Southern Ocean in the south. Southern Ocean is the below. The Pacific Ocean is a circular in shape, and along the Pacific Ocean there is a ring of fire, the active volcano belt. Now the Indian Ocean extends from South Asia to Australia as well as Africa. It has gained uniquences due to its wind currents. See the Indian Ocean, it's gone to Africa, and this side it's gone to Australia. Okay, clear? Atmosphere. This is also a domain that consists of layers which are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere and thermosphere, as well as the exosphere. Life form sustains on the troposphere, which is the first layer of atmosphere. Now the density of atmosphere is maximum at sea level and decreasing with its height. Maximum sea level, ground level is the maximum of atmosphere, the troposphere, the life, oxygen. And as it goes up, it decreases. The atmosphere consists of 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and other gases like argon, carbon dioxide, as well as some other gases just comprise of 1% volume. 78 and 21 is 99, 1% is 100%. Now, how does the biosphere support the life of supporter of life forms? Biosphere is the 3-point land where land, water, air meets together as well as interact with each other. Biosphere is a zone, a contact between air, land and water. It is the zone that life that is unique to Earth exists and flourishes. There is no other planet like this. No scientist can make an Earth. The biosphere is divided into two kingdoms, the plant kingdom, the animal kingdom. Deforestation and pollution are rapidly damaging the biosphere. So, water straits I told you, and isthmus. Isthmus is an area of land or passage that connects two major continents, and strait is a narrow passage of water connecting two larger water bodies. Example, the Panama Trench and the Palk Strait. That you have to see in the map. You have to also work out something. Correct. Now, if we go into this, we see that in the next chapter it is, I just don't, the pages don't turn. Then we come to the major landforms of the earth. But we have to read this through as well. So we'll keep it till here today, and in the next class I'll just read through and explain the things what I explained. So basic ideology of this chapter I have given you. 39. Explanation done. Explanation has to be done again. Introduction I have given you of this chapter. Okay? So bye bye, till then take care, and take care of yourselves, love your parents, respect them, and have fun, be strong, healthy, and be careful. Take care of yourselves. God bless. Bye bye.